Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris Jackson, your internet sales guy here at Bumpus Harley-Davidson in Jackson, Tennessee. Today I have this 2019 Street Glide Special. It's in the Industrial Gray Denim. It does have the Stage IV 117 Screamin Eagle big bore kit. Got a Thunderheader 2-in-1 exhaust. It's a fantastic running bike. It is a one-owner bike. It was bought brand new here. We did the Stage IV upgrade here. It has been maintained and serviced here. Bike has 69,000 miles, mostly highway miles. The guy takes a lot of trips, a lot of long distance riding. That's not 69,000 miles of around town. So front tire's in great shape. Paint isn't 100%. Again, the bike has been ridden. Got a little bit of a ding in the front fender. Mechanically, this bike is perfect. Definitely a stout running bike. We do have some taller handlebars on there. I think those are 12-inch bars. Got some highway pegs. It's a really nice bike, great running bike. The LED turn signals, front and rear. You have the LED saddlebag lights. Got the docking hardware. Yeah, really nice bike. Here's the best part of it right here. Man, it's hard to beat that sound of a Thunderheader. This could be your next bike. Inquire about it here online or give me a call at 731-422-5508. Better yet, come check this thing out in person, take it for a test drive, and check out the rest of our great inventory while you're here. All right, y'all come see us.